If you are an entrepreneur in 2026, you can stop paying separate rent for your business and your home by using the mixed-use FHA hack to buy one building for both. The Federal Housing Administration allows you to purchase a property that combines commercial and residential space with as little as 3.5% down. The golden rule for 2026 is that at least 51% of the building's total square footage must be dedicated to residential living space. This means you can own a building with a coffee shop or office on the ground floor and 2 or 3 apartments above it, where you live in one and rent out the others. By living in one of the units, you qualify for low residential interest rates, even though the property functions partly as a commercial asset. You can even use 75% of the projected rental income from the other units to help you qualify for a much larger loan than you could on your own. In high-cost areas in 2026, FHA loan limits for these 4-unit properties have climbed above $2.4 million, opening up massive opportunities in urban centers. As your broker, can help you navigate the zoning requirements to ensure your live-work dream becomes a profitable reality this year.